In this video, we'll discuss running the Scikit-Learn auto-classification function using UnifyML SQL. We will use the Scikit-Learn auto-classification function algorithm through a UnifyML query. Here, we run the Scikit-Learn auto-classification function using UnifyML SQL. Let's now look at the simple Scikit-Learn auto-classification function. Scikit-Learn auto-classification provides the accuracy of each UnifyML classification function. Before running any Scikit-Learn classification function, it's recommended to run auto-classification to assess the accuracy of the data using Scikit-Learn UnifyML classification functions. Based on the accuracy, you can select the appropriate Scikit-Learn UnifyML classification function for better model performance and predictions. Start by specifying the input table, input columns, and partition column, the column for partitioning. Define the target column, the column to be predicted. There are additional parameters in the Scikit-Learn auto-classification function that you can explore in the UnifyML documentation. Input algorithms. If you want specific algorithm accuracy, you can specify the input algorithm parameter. If not, it will consider all classification algorithms and provide accuracy for each. Input data types. You can change the data types of the input columns by specifying the input data types parameter. Training sample size. Split your data into training and test sets and specify the training data value. The remaining data will be considered as test data. Number partitions. Define the number of partitions and specify the partition column. Parallelism. Set parallel processing options. Data cleaning. Choose from 4 methods for cleaning the data. Remove rows, remove duplicates, remove outliers, and fill. Use the fill method to handle null values or modify any data values. Data scaling. Apply one of 4 scaling methods: min-max scaler, standard scaler, normalizer, or binarizer. For min-max scaler, specify the minimum and maximum scaler values. Input cache ID. If your data is saved in the cache, replace the input table with the input cache ID. Bytes per chunk. Specify the byte size per chunk. These are the input parameters for the Scikit-Learn auto-classification function. Adjust the parameters based on the requirements of your auto-classification. Run the query, and it will execute on the UnifyML server. The output will show all classification algorithms and their accuracy. Based on this accuracy, you can select the best model for predictions. Thank you for watching this video.